If your thermostat is not working, Novak Heating, Air, and Duct Cleaning is here to help Cedar Rapids homeowners get comfortable again. Let us guide you through some quick troubleshooting tips. First, check if your thermostat is turned off or if the screen is blank. Replace the batteries if needed and make sure the circuit breaker has not tripped. Verify that your thermostat settings, like brightness, are correct. A clogged air filter or a loose furnace door can also shut things down, so check those too. If your thermostat is wired, loose or dirty wiring might be the culprit, which should be handled by a professional. Sometimes incompatible parts or an old thermostat are to blame, especially if you have recently had repairs. If you have tried these steps and your thermostat still is not working properly, it is time to call in an expert. Ongoing issues could mean a deeper HVAC problem. Novak's background check technicians have over 90 years of experience. For fast, reliable service, call Novak Heating, Air, and Duct Cleaning at 319-364-4626. We are always ready to help Cedar Rapids homeowners restore comfort.